Hey guys, I got a problem with my Toyota. The motor is a 22R. It's a 1982 Toyota four-wheel drive. I adjusted the valves today. 8 thousandths on the intake and 12 thousandths on the exhaust. And I put everything back together, and I don't know if you can hear that like kind of knocking noise. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere or something to do with the valve rockers or something. It does sound like it's coming more from the back of the motor. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, I'll probably take a look at it and see if I can fix it, but I'm buying a 20R head off this guy, and I'm gonna rebuild that and build it up so I can put it on this motor. So yeah, thanks if you got any replies or anything, but yeah, I'm kind of stuck here. Well, not stuck, it still fucking runs, but it's just kind of annoying. Alright, thanks.